So click on the settings button at the top right of the screen. Then on the product settings, click on the payments option. From the payment settings, tap on this payment methods option. On this page, you may scroll down and search for Bancontact option. Then tap the Bancontact to open this sidebar and click on the enable button. You may customize if you want to turning on or turning off one-time payments and also the recurring payments according to your needs. For me, I'm gonna turn on these two because my product having both payment types. After that, click on the enable button again. There you go, Bancontact will now be a part of your payment option. Right here, as you can see in my payment method on the checkout page, with the product in euro currency, Bancontact is a part of it. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.